Jeketi Pega COE has developed a new solution called the Prescriptive Asset Management, which can optimize system maintenance, reduce asset downtime, and enable Operations Manager to prevent failures. The solution includes gathering sensor data, event streaming, real-time analytics, combining them with decisioning and workflow orchestration. Let's consider a food and beverages company, Hungrill, has implemented sensors in its plant's machines. These sensors feed real-time data back to Spectre manufacturer's Pega application, which happens to be the manufacturing company for motor parts. Based on the threshold temperature set on these sensors, a notification would be triggered to Tony, who is the operations manager for Hungrill. One fine morning, an issue is detected by a sensor and simultaneously a work object is created with some precautionary measures and routed to Tony. Tony selects one of those measures and tries to fix the issue, but is unsuccessful. As the number of interactions keep on increasing, the adaptive model running in the core of the Pega's decision management platform keeps on developing its own intelligent model. So he clicks on this button, which creates a field service request in Pega's field service management framework. This request is routed to the field worker Stephen. Stephen opens the request in his mobile device and understands the issue and checks inventory for the machine part which needs to be replaced or repaired. Stephen finds that the machine part is not available in inventory and he raises the order request. He receives an email with the order ID. Now, the procurement manager, John, finds the same request in his work list and goes through the details of that case, which includes machine information, warranty information, and delivery date. Once he submits, the case is routed to the SAP system, which in turn would route the case to a third-party machine part supplier. Bob, from the machine part supplier company, opens up the order and finds that the cost of these machine parts needs to be borne by his company as per the warranty contract. He also checks the delivery date and delivery location. Once the machine part is delivered and the payment is processed to the Spectre manufacturers, Bob closes the request. The case is routed back to John's work list. John, based on the payment, selects the appropriate option and finally resolves the case. As soon as the case is resolved, the field worker Stephen receives an email stating the status. He then logs in and finds that the inventory count is updated. He further generates a code which would be sent to Tony, the operational manager of Hungrill. The field worker, post-discussion with Tony, decides an inspection date. Tony receives an email with the code attached from Spectre manufacturers. Stephen travels to the plant site and starts his work. He uses his device to check the machine parts using an augmented reality application that is already available in his device. It helps the field engineers to fix issues diligently and effectively. Once the machine part is repaired or replaced, he updates the field service request with proper failure description, repairing comments, time taken to fix the issue, and submits the same. Tony reviews the service request and completes the same by providing feedback and rating of the service. So, prescriptive asset management would help in reducing time required for repair, install, and overall service. It improves efficiency and effectiveness of the field service operation. Thank you for watching this video. Please connect with us for a live demo.